Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can message someone on LinkedIn. So to do this it's quite easy. All you need to do is open LinkedIn just like this, and once you've done that you can go to the top right corner of your screen at that messaging icon. Once you've done that, click on start a new message and type in the name of the person you're trying to message. For example, this guy right here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is add a subject, type a message, and you're good to go. Now there might be a chance that when you're trying to message someone, it will say basically that you need to pay money in order to message them. That is most likely because they don't have premium. So sometimes it will literally just cost money in order to message them. It will say it right here. You need to have premium in order to basically message people upfront without being connected to them. And that's basically because you're not friends. However, sometimes it will be free, and that's only when that other person does have premium. Now, basically, that's all you need to do in order to basically message someone. That are the basics. You can also just go to someone's profile and then just message them. However, you need to be connected with that person in order to actually start messaging them. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.